Hello friends, my name is Hitesh Parmar. Today I will give information about network device. First we see the introduction of the networking device, then we see the connecting device, then we see the different type of networking device like hub, switch, repeater, bridge, router, gateway. Introduction of networking device. Networking devices are component used to connect computers or other electronic device together so that they can share file or resources like printer or fax machine. लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. हम सब प्रिंटिंग शॉप पे ही गए होंगे. वहाँ एक राउटर भी आपने देखा होगा. वो राउटर कंप्यूटर के साथ भी कनेक्ट होता है और प्रिंटिंग मशीन के साथ भी कनेक्ट होता है. तो जब हम कंप्यूटर में प्रिंटिंग कमांड देते हैं तब वो कमांड राउटर से होकर प्रिंटिंग मशीन में जाता है और वो हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिंट करता है. वैसे एक नेटवर्क डिवाइस हम यूज करते हैं इन आवर लाइफ टू कनेक्ट लेंस कनेक्टिंग डिवाइस आर नीड एन वेरियस कनेक्टिंग डिवाइस आर सच एज ब्रिज स्विच राउटर हब रिपीटर connecting device and the OSI model. So the block diagram uh, we use different layer uh, for a different network device like repeater, bridge, router, gateway. Different type of networking device. First hub, second switch, third repeater, fourth bridge, fifth router, sixth gateway. These are all the networking devices which we use to our networking. Hub. Hub is use a central point of connection among media segment. A hub is a common connection point for device in a segment of LAN. A hub contains multiple ports. When a packet arrives at one port, it copied to the other port so that all segment of LAN can see all packet. So the block diagram of hub. When the upper side any one computer send the message, hub is broadcast all the below side computer. Uh, Hub is used to connect to building or to block computers. The main disadvantage of a hub is when the central hub is damaged, then the not networking device working, and other disadvantage of not security to our message. Then switch. A network switch is a computer networking device that connect device together on a computer network by using packet switching to receive, process and forward data to the destination device. Uh, Switch is also called switching hub, bridge hub. Officially it is called MAC bridge. So the block diagram of the switch. When we connect for first PC to fourth PC, then the switch is connect to the fourth PC, and any PC is give the printing command to the printer. It is this PC was connect with the printer, so the networking switch is used like this. Repeater. A network device used to regenerate or replicate a signal. Repeaters are used in transmission system to regenerate analog or digital signal destroyed by the transmission loss. Uh, रिपीटर जब हमारा सिग्नल डिस्ट्रॉय होता है तब वो सिग्नल पहले जैसा ही क्रिएट करके रिपीट करता है. Repeater is is a device that operates only at physical layer. A repeater forwards every frame. It no filtering capabilities. मीन्स के रिपीटर ओनली हमारे सिग्नल को रिपीट ही करता है, वो फिल्टर और क्लिपिंग नहीं करता. A repeater is regenerator, not a amplifier. और रिपीटर हमारे सिग्नल को एम्पलीफाई नहीं करता, पर पहले जैसा ही रिपीट करता है. So the block diagram of OSI model of repeater. When we device 1 send the data B long distance, then our signal is become weak or destroyed, then we use between them repeater. So the repeater repeat the same signal we have transmit, and then the device B was received. LAN. So the block diagram of LAN connection of repeater. When we when the computer A sends the data of computer D or C, so the message we send 01000001. When the signal go to the long distance, and then it is destroyed or corrupted, or its power become low, then we use repeater to the repeat the data, then then we receive the data D or C, so receive same as we send the signal. Function of repeater. When the corrupted signal go into the repeater, then the repeater repeat, we send the data like we signal, like show the figure. Bridge. A network is a computer networking device that create a signal aggregate network or network segment. This function is called networking bridge. A bridge operate both layer, physical layer and as well as data link layer. A bridge has table used in filtering decision. So the OSI model of a bridge. So the LAN connection of bridge. When the PC computer A send the data of D, then the no bridge required. But when the PCD is connect for the PCF and send the data, then the BC bridge is required. How bridge work? Bridge work at the media access control sublayer of OSI model. Ra Routing table is built to the record segment number of address. If the destination address is the same segment as the source address, stop transmission. So the block diagram. When the PC A to go A to send data PCD, so bridge bridge connection become A to G, then transmit the message to the G. Message received by only was receiver data, and then stop transmit, otherwise A is transmit. Advantage of bridge. Extend physical network, reduce network traffic with minor segment, creates separate collision domain, reduce collision. We saw that when we bridge using the bridge, collision with decrease. Connect different architecture. Um, we will using bridge any architecture. Disadvantage of bridge: slower than the repeater due to filtering. ब्रिज ब्रिज वो फिल्टरिंग करता है, देन वो रिपीटर से स्लो हो जाता है. डू नॉट फिल्टर ब्रॉडकास्ट. और ब्रिज ने वो फिल्टर किया हुआ मैसेज होता है वो हम ब्रॉडकास्ट नहीं कर सकते, एनी वन कंप्यूटर को ही सेंड करते हैं। ब्रिज मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन द रिपीटर, रिपीटर से ज्यादा ब्रिज एक्सपेंसिव होता है। देन राउटर, a router is a networking device that forwards data packet between computer networks. Router perform the detecting function on the internet. A data packet is typically forwarded from, one router to another router through the network that continues the inter network until the network the constitute the internetwork until reach its destination node। हम सब राउटर यूज करते ही होंगे। राउटर दो बिल्डिंग और दो ब्लॉक के कंप्यूटर को और दो सोसाइटी के कंप्यूटर को जोड़ने में हमारी मदद करता है। व्हेन राउटर दो सोसाइटी के कंप्यूटर को जो ज्वाइन करने में मदद नहीं करेगा, दो बिल्डिंग में ही मदद करेगा। हम राउटर होगा वो प्रिंटिंग शॉप में भी यूज होता है, जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बात की थी। राउटर कनेक्शन ओवर होम, सो द राउटर व्हेन अवर होम computer, laptop, or printing was connecting in the router with wireless. Our computer is connecting but our laptop or mobile with router with connection wireless। राउटर हमारे घर में हम अपने नेटवर्क के इंटरनेट के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं। So the OSI model of the router, when the device A sends the message device A send the data wireless, router was connect and then send the data B. So the router and internet. Gateway. A network gateway is an interworking system capable of joining together to network that use different base protocol. A network gateway can be implemented completely in the software, completely in the hardware, or as a combine of the both. Depending on the type of protocol they support, network gateway can operate at any level of OSI model. Uh, Gateway networking we use wireless, wired, wire or both type. When we use wireless, then the communication between two computer using software. Then when we use a wired, then the communication between two computer through the wire. So the gateway in the OSI model. So the block diagram, when the gateway we use communication between two devices. When device A send the message, if the data if the communication is wireless, then the device A transmit data through the software, and device B receive the data through the software receivers. LAN connection of the gateway. This is the block diagram of the wireless connection of gateway. When the left side computer लेफ्ट साइड कंप्यूटर और राइट साइड के कंप्यूटर के बीच कम्युनिकेशन करना चाहते हैं, तब हम गेटवे यूज करके और उसके सॉफ्टवेयर और वायर्ड कनेक्शन से के साथ भी हम यूज करके हम कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।